There we go. This is getting closer and closer to the Twin Cities.
The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for eastern Swift County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., tornado-producing storms were located along the line extending from Lake Hassel to 6 miles east of Benson to 11 miles southeast of Benson and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. A tornado has been reported by the public. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. These tornadic storms will be near Monson Lake State Park around 5:20 p.m.
Let's see if I can
Other
chip
locations in the warning include Sweet Falls, MURDOCK, and KERKHOVEN. Turkey, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This is the area of concern. There was a reported on the ground again, just to the northeast of Montevideo.
A tornado warning remains in effect for northeastern Swift and south-central Polk counties until 4:45 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Benson and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Spotters have reported a frontal cloud. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will affect mainly rural areas of northeastern Swift and south-central Polk counties, including the following locations. Swift Falls. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Pass the
If in a
text.
mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. At 3:30 p.m., a large band of rain has redeveloped from Gaylord South to southwest Iowa and is expanding north towards the Twin Cities metro area. Unfortunately, this band is not making much eastward progress, so an extended period of torrential rain is possible late this afternoon and evening across much of the region. Rainfall rates of...
Well, where's this?
We don't know the rest of the EMS came in really quick, started closing down roads, and they have equipment, so we the deal with this major.
Spot from the other
Be
dump.
on alert for rising water and be prepared to evacuate if told to do so. Flash flood warnings will likely be issued within the next hour or two.
And you can see this line of thunder showers is
Current
tracking up
time
in this
is
direction.
4:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Iowa, right up into southern Minnesota. It did pass over Mankato, of course,
The
producing
following is a summary of Washington's warnings and advisories in effect. For central Minnesota, an aerial flood warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties. In Minnesota, Chippewa, Cloud, Renville, and Yellow Medicine. A tornado warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for the following counties. In Minnesota, Douglas, and Poe. A tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties. In Minnesota, Chippewa, and Renville. A tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties. With Minnesota. A flash flood watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Friday for the following counties. In Minnesota, Kankakee, Cloud, Beaver, Renville, and Wright. Flood warning remains in effect for Sibley, Renville.